get dirty thoughts about you. They get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell? Or are you thinking them as well? Oh, when I'm lonely, all the corners of my mind start racing. Things that should be kept in the basement.
It's Brittaineayy, and I am sick. That's why I haven't really like been able to record anything like far as makeup and everything, because I can't really use my voice much, but it's coming back a little bit. A couple of days ago, like, you really couldn't really hear me, but anyways, I kind of want to do like a Valentine's makeup look. So we're gonna start off by using the Urban Decay Potion Primer, which has been my favorite primer. The other one that I was using didn't have this little applicator thing on it. It just had like a little squirty out thing. So this shall be different. If I can actually get anything to come out, maybe. Okay, there we go. I was about to say, if I can't get anything to come out, it's not gonna be the same. But I recently just did a video of some dresses that I was gifted, and those knitted sweater dresses are so adorable. Like, I was thankful the company was able to gift me all of them, and I didn't say give, I said gift. I'm just so sick. But because I wanted to show you guys like every single color, because being that it's like winter and cold and all that, I mean, it's so perfect and they're so beautiful. So it's like, someone's gonna see their color and like for sure like go crazy over it. But almost everyone loved every single color, and a couple people actually said that they wanted to buy every single color, and then some people were like, oh my god, I definitely have to get at least one of them. So like, those are just so pretty. So if you haven't seen that video, you should go check it out. Okay, so now that we're done with that, okay, so you kind of want to let it dry just a little bit so it can get tacky. And then I'm going to go in with the ABH Norvina palette. This is the Pro Pigment palette 4. And then I'm going to go in with E5, which is that beautiful pink bright color. So I'm just actually going to take one of their brushes that comes out of the it comes out of this palette. So I'm gonna take that brush because I've been liking how floofy and small and petite it is. So I'm gonna pick up the E5 on the brush and just kind of like twirl it around and all that, just to make sure I have all the pigment I want. And then I'm gonna use the mirror just to look down into and like have it tilted sideways. It helps. And then I'm just gonna dab it first, so that way all the pigment can get laid down, and then I'll blend all of that together. When you dab it down, like pack it down, it actually like helps the blending process too, because you're getting all that pigment down first, and then you can like blend out everything. I am so sick that this is swollen. Like, no amount of like, I've been drinking tons of water, but yet this is just so swollen. I hate when that gets swollen. It's like, it sucks. But anyways, okay, and then we're slowly gonna go up and towards the brow to get all that blended out. Alright, and then so once you have everything blended to your likings, then you can take it on the other side and then do the same exact thing. Okay, so I just want to deepen it a bit. I'm still taking E5, and I'm just going to pack some more just in the crease, so that way I can have more of a brighter color in that area. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Alright, and then once you have it packed in like the crease, then you can still take just a little bit and then blend it just a little bit, so that way you're not like diffusing too much of the color you just laid down, but just enough to diffuse it between the two colors again. I think the biggest thing is just the blending process is what you like try to strive for the most, just to get like everything not to look so harsh, because a lot of times I think what makes the look like pull together is the blending process and everything. But okay, so I kind of actually want to take the E4, which is this deeper plum color, and then just put that like at a V, I guess you could say. It's kind of not working. I don't know why. That's weird. Maybe just because I'm having it on a floofier brush, but okay, there we go. I don't think I was picking it up the right way. I was like, it's not deepening the corners. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just gonna do it like this, and then just a little bit in towards like the V pattern. I'm gonna do it the same side. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Retrograde palette, and then take, if I can get open, and then take Ultraviolet or Violet. Oh my god, it's not a violent shade. Jeez. Anyways, it's just this really pretty purple color that's totally not violent. Oh my god. Every single time I like try to speak for that color, I always say violent instead of violet. It's a really, really pretty shade. When I try to do a halo, sometimes I fail at that, but like I think the halo looks are like really, really pretty. You could use your setting spray like if you wanted to have like more pigment and everything, but I know sometimes I just like, I don't know, I like have it over here, but sometimes I'm just like, I don't know if I really want to feel that wet feeling on my eyelids. So because certain shades, and I haven't tried it on this just because in the past I've like tried it on certain shimmers, and sometimes it just leaves it like really gritty feeling. So, and I don't spray it, like I don't overspray it and I don't underspray it. It just like a couple sprays, and then sometimes just some of the shimmers just don't pick up very well. So, but this is for sure a really, really pretty purple. Okay, I'm gonna deepen up the inner corners with that pink color, and I'll be back. So the gemstones, oh my god, my voice, but the gemstones are just from the Dollar Tree. I think they're from like the sticker, like craft section, but anyway, it's not extremely over dramatic with my like paint palette and stuff, whatever, but I just thought it was something cute and Valentine's-y, and just like really pretty. Simple, but really pretty. So, and then all I did was just use the scissors, cut them off, and I already have like adhesive on the back and everything, so then I just stuck them there. So, but if you feel like they won't stay, I feel like they will stay for a long time, but if you feel like they don't stay, you could just like take some eyelash glue and like stick them down or something, or some type of facial glue to stick them down. But anyways, hopefully you enjoy the simple look. The mascara is Maybelline. It's a Sky High mascara, and then the liner is a combination between the Maybelline Master Precision All Day liner and then this Cleopatra. So those two liners, and they're both felt tips. So dun dun dun. Oh, and the eyebrows are Anastasia brow pomade, so just in case you wonder that too. But anyways, y'all have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.
Baby, so good.